That's awesome. That's it. You start with drumming and being like, okay, get out your mind. Let's get back into the body, get back into your heart.
There's so much sensation that is present in drumming that bridges that health science and artistic experience that can make sense to some people who are more academically minded, of like, okay, here are the things that drumming is actually doing within our body, physiologically, chemically even.
Right.